welcome back to my video. In this video, we are going to learn how to install Metasploit framework on Termux. So before going to that, I am going to explain what is Metasploit framework. Metasploit framework is a tool, or you can call it as a software platform for developing, testing, and executing exploits. It can be used for creating a security testing, and it is also known as penetration testing system. So now I am going to open up my Termux and typing apt install curl. Curl is a tool that transfers data from or to a server using one of the protocols like HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, and many more. I have already installed on my Termux, and next typing pkg upgrade. So this also I have already installed on my Termux. So I suggest you guys, before doing any attacks, you should update your packages. So next, installing Metasploit framework on my Termux. I have given the URL link in the description. You can just copy it from there. And now I am going to paste my URL. Then press enter. Now it gets downloaded. And next typing ls command. Okay, now here you can see the metasploit.sh file. And now getting the access permission by typing chmod 777 metasploit.sh, and next running the Metasploit file by typing /metasploit.sh, then pressing enter. Now all the packages get installed. I'm going to wait for a while. Okay, now you can see all the packages have been installed, and now I'm going to type ls command. Here you can see the Metasploit framework and metasploit.sh file, and next I'm going to type cd Metasploit framework, and next typing ls command. Okay, now here you can see some of the files and folders related to the Metasploit framework. And also you can see the MSF console and MSF VMO, which are used to create a payload and exploit the other devices. And now it's time to launch the Metasploit framework by typing /MSF console. And now the Metasploit framework gets loaded. Okay, now here you can see the Metasploit framework. In the further video, I am going to show you how to hack the Android phone and PCs by using Android Termux. So that's all in this video. Thank you.